Everybody, meantime,
Okay.
this Anaconda is getting
Yeah,
installed.
meantime, like, I mean, I just wanted to make you aware or ask you, like, why we are going with Python, or like why Python is famous for ML and GenAI or MLOps applications. So, like, I mean, we could have been doing this in Java, in Node.js. There are other beautiful languages, right? Why Python itself? So, I have mentioned few regions here which was very prominent. So when you will work, right, you will realize these things. So it's simple, it's readable syntax, I mean, makes complex algorithm accessible. So in Python, the complex algorithms are, like, you can say, they are available ready to use as a service. So in Amazon you have multiple service, like for storage, they have done the hard work hiding behind the whatever the complexities were there when we want an unlimited storage kind of a functionality. So they designed S3 for scaling up and scaling down. We were having challenges when we used to set up our traditional systems. So they have designed something called as auto scaling service. For managing emails, we might have we might have difficulties. So they designed a SaaS service called as a Gmail, right? So different companies are solving certain problems. For them, they have designed a ready to use kind of a flexible, you can say, service tool for everyone to access. In the similar fashion, Python also has, or the Python developers or Python community has developed a lot of complex algorithm which are readily available to use. So we can just call them, use them, do our task, and we let it go. So which is what second point is explaining. Like it's a rich ecosystem of specialized libraries like NumPy, there are Pandas, TensorFlow, PyTorch. So depending on our use case, we try to use one of them or all of them, right? So it depends, like what kind of a project we are working on. Maybe we want to work with PDF, maybe we want to work with CSVs, right? In that sense. So it's an extensive or active community support. So I mean, a lot of developments are going behind the scene. So they are working on a lot of good algorithms which are designed behind the scene. We just have to use them or have an understanding where to use what. Okay, so the rest of the points, like, I mean, it has easy integration with C and C++ for performance and critical applications. Yeah, it's true, but I mean, our focus is not in terms of integration with these low level languages. We will directly work in an higher level terms with Python, because it provides an, you can say, ready to use functionality where we can do a lot of things. So and in terms of data visualization, so when you perform something, right, if you want to visualize, like in terms of graph, if you have a result in terms of image, you can display that as well.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.